Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make a dinosaur Google game on Scratch. So basically, dinosaur Google game is a game where you get to play in an error. And we have to remove this cat and try to draw a dinosaur like this. And try to make a background like this. Simple. And I'm gonna place the dinosaur. And I am going to place some cactuses. I decided to remove this and replace it with this. And I'm gonna add a button too. And when this sprite click, do a broadcast by using the message. Now, when I receive the red message, bounce, and then end. And now we have to make this loop forever. So we have to move it. Cotton candy cookies to cute. So we put a repeat block, then a forever loop. Let's try it. Oh wait, it was the wrong way. So we'll have to go make it go backwards. Let's try that. Okay, so it didn't jump correctly. So we're gonna have to put 2 repeat loops, then an end loop, then a down block. Let's try that now. Okay, so it didn't jump correctly, so we have to make it 8. And let's try that. Okay, so that was too high. Okay. So make it 6. And now let's try that. Okay, good. You see, I didn't jump. And now it's easier to get and timekeeper code. Now we have to make it game over when it touches the cactus. Now when I bump into a cactus, we're gonna add a new one, and we can just remove this scratch cat, and we're gonna add some kind of a red screen. So I'm gonna paint this. And there it is. And I'm gonna add text and make it and type game over. Go. Make it a big size. And we're gonna put a restart button. And when this sprite click and use the broadcast button and then when I receive the broadcast, go to game over. Let's try that. And so I game over and boom. Now let's fix the jump. Let's fix the jump. Now let's try it. Oh. What? No. What? Now when I receive this broadcast and it should go home. Okay, simple. Now you've created your own Dino game. I'll see you soon at another Scratch tutorial. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, this is my voice reveal. And thank you so much. You always wanted to see my voice. My hand review will be coming soon, but it will be without my voice. Bye!